your season of restoration. My God will surely see you through. All the things you've lost these years, just wait and see God restoring. Is your season of restoration. My God will surely see you through. All the seeds that you've sown in tears, God will see you through. Is your season of restoration. My God will surely see you through. All the seeds you've sown in tears, God will see you through. God will do much more than you could ever ask or think. This is your time, this is your season to take back all you lost. God is making a way out of nowhere for you and for me. He will provide our every need. Is your season of restoration. My God will surely see you through. All the seeds that you sown in tears, God will see you through. Is your season of restoration. My God will surely see you through. All the things that you've lost these years, just wait and see God restore. He will do it for you, my brother. He will do it for you, sister. Hold on. He will do it for you. He will see you through. All the things that you lost these years, just wait and see God.